Children.
So happy.
Yes. Love you.
Cine de copii? Nu? Opa! Ia zi. Wait, Cristian!
Yes.
You found her.
Second guess.
Second guess.
How did you guess? Because I have a big brain. Are you proud of me?
Always.
Is it? Yes.
Okay, you're recording.
Okay, so.
Document how she's beating me.
Yeah.
No, I'm
She
not.
beats me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, she does.
I'm gonna beat you, Giovanni.
Oh shit, Lazar, how are you?
Good.
I will go.
Very hungry but good.
I will go shoot people. Grasu! Say hi to the video, Grasu! Grasule! 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 What are we doing here, Mr. Kobe?
That's it. Frame.
Frame?
Frame, I would say.
Frame? Daniela, what are you doing there? Dinner? I'm joking, it's lunch. Nicer here. Let me go a little bit in the back.
This is not the end, this is just the start.
Yes.
Yes.
Ciao. Ciao.
Uite, și are și denumire, vezi? Asta.
What is your favorite picture?
Ice of Wings by Herta Matias from Hungary.
My favorite picture was Losing Hope by Ștefan David from Romania.
It's the one called Whisperer of the Forest.
The unknown one. It's the corner.
I will find it, don't worry.
Okay.
What made you like it?
I really like how she or he caught a very small moment in nature with the butterfly and the flower in really high quality. I mean, it's a very rare moment to catch on camera in a photograph, you know.
I chose it because I loved the way he done the picture and the story it told because of the filters and the low exposure, and also the black and white across the picture, but the colorful in the middle.
The lighting is very good, a sense of tranquility, so that's why I like it. The Whisper of the Forest. I'm gonna vote for it.
Because it's giving me a calming vibe. It's beautiful. It's in the woods and like a lake, and you can go fishing there.
Ioni, I have some really interesting news for you.
What?
Someone said your photo is their favorite.
Whoa, that's a good thing. Who was it? You?
No, one of the people that I interviewed.
Great. And you told them, yeah, that's my girlfriend's photo.
Yes.
You know what she asked me? She saw my girlfriend and then she asked, how did you pull her?
Who did that?
Look. See her laughing? Oh.
Ne može, ajde.
Pa ajde ti prva je.
Ne, ti prva, ja ću se dođem.
kažem.
So. Colleagues, how did we do today?
I think exhibition was great. Like, we liked organizing, what the fuck? Organization.
Today was a good day.
Okay, again, today was a good day. Like, I think exhibition was great, and we liked the organization part of it. And I think globally, jebemo mater, brat.
We are so grateful and we appreciate the chance to spend time with kids here and to show them like our perspective, how we love to take our pictures in the nature.
And we like chance to represent them, not just pictures, then whole project, like whole 7 days. And we like the organization part of it. So I'm glad that people loved it. We spoke with some of them and they're all happy that they had a chance to come.
I want your opinion of today's day.
Good, really nice. People really put in a lot of effort and I can see the improvements in their work. I've been with them since the start, since the beginning. We are all day ones. We are now day 6.
Sorry.
N-am cum să mă duc. Pizza. Yes, we have it. So I'm going inside.
Okay, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, don't worry, go, it's a mess anywhere.
Why am I so fat?
Open the door and also open the open the lights in the front, all of the lights.
Why? Okay. Let's go.
He jumped through my window. You can't do that. I'm not joking. No, it's locked, but he jumped through my window. I left it open. You wanna go? And you can go inside. There is no